Hi guys, what's up? This is Chanu SK SAP FICO for HANA Finance trainer. If you are completely new to this channel and watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. So in the today context, I am going to explain how to change IDOC status. IDOC status means how we can change one status to another. So through program. So this is the topic I am gonna cover in the couple of minutes. If you are completely fresher or watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now. These sessions are completely helpful to real-time consultants who are working in jobs, and so going forward we will upload all the real-time content in our official blog, official app. So through app, so we can upload all the details. So in the comment box, so we are shared some links over there. You just go through that links and download our app, and you can explore our videos. So going forward, all the real-time content will be uploaded in our app only. So these sessions are only helpful to real-time consultants. Thank you. Let's start. So let's move on to the SAP screen. So just to go to W02. So this is IDOC list. So I'm just taking one IDOC for the demo perspective. So give the details 1909-2021. So I am giving 2021 year, and so 2020 up to 1 year. So I am just getting all the information of IDOCs. So here, so this is the status record. So this is the status of IDOC. So this IDOC status is 26 and it is in red color. So red color means error. So what is that error? So go to status records, double click on 26. So this is the error, right? So 26 is the status. Now the question is how we can modify this status from another status. So how we can modify? So I want to use another status 07. So is it possible? Shall I change one status to another status even after posting the IDOC? So yes, we can change it. So where we can do that? So I just want to change 26 to 07. So where we can do that? So there is one program is there. So I will explain that program right now. So go to SC38. Okay, so here take one program for changing the IDOC status. So this is the program RC1 underscore IDOC underscore set underscore status, and just execute this. So give your IDOC here. So your IDOC is 2495745. 2495745. Okay, so 2495745. 2495745. So just give 26 over here. So you want to change from 26 to 07. Also we can change. Okay, so just give 07. I just want to change from status 26 to 07. So is it possible? Yes. So remove the test mode and just execute it. So IDOC were converted. Okay, so IDOC were converted. Just come back and copy this IDOC. Okay, copy this IDOC. Now just go to screen and just go back and give the IDOC number over here. Okay, so just execute it. So this is the IDOC has been changed. Status has been changed successfully. If you go to status records, so it's showing as a error during syntax checks, and this is 26. So this was earlier, and now I change it to 07. So and you can also change to green color also. How we can do that? So just go to that program once again. So and take 68. Okay, just execute. So here just modify this 26. You take 07 and just change it. So IDOC were changed. Now again go back. Okay, so give the IDOC number, just execute it. So here it's showing as a status 68 in green color. So we can change the status from so any status we can change one status to another. That is possible by applying the program. Okay, so if you are completely watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now. Going forward, all the real-time content will be uploaded in our app only. So these sessions are completely helpful to SAP real-time consultants. And for demo perspective, I am uploading only 5 videos in my YouTube channel. So you guys enjoy it, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you. See you soon.